Steve Jyrwa, a talented dancer from Nongmensong, Shillong, returned to his hometown on the 16th of November 2024 as the winner of India's Best Dancer Season 4 held in Mumbai recently. In addition to the coveted trophy, Steve Jyrwa brought home a cash prize of rupees 15 lakh and a brand new car. His choreographer Raktim Thakuria, who was also awarded rupees 5 lakh, accompanied him to Shillong. Steve Jyrwa emerged victorious in the grand finale held on the 10th of November 2024, defeating fellow finalists Harsh Keshri, Nekshin, Nepo, Akanksha Mishra and Aditya Malvia. The competition was judged by Bollywood actress Karishma Kapoor alongside renowned choreographers Geeta Kapoor and Terence Lewis. Hosts Jay Banushali and Aniket Chauhan added to the grandeur of the event. Steve Jyrwa received a warm welcome at the Guwahati airport on the 19th of November 2024, where he was honored with traditional attire in the presence of his family, mentors and leaders from Nongmensong locality in Shillong.
Shake me. Imes Angelia Marwen, Maman Sekmat, dan tentu turun na orang Mbak Shillong ini, Miss Angelia Marwen. Hai sini. Hai, yuk. Steve. Toh. Hari doktor pan indono ibadi thora Mbak Shillong ji banai skin. Kalau pulang ini mesti dekat. Great personality Pelabi dan Nongmensong. Kukulai sebut. Kukulai sebut ya. Sedih, Emat. Lapat terfilm. Long berjaya. Wanum ya aturkan. Tenang kalian kepada Mas Nongmensong ni gong sa te isno panai kublai ya kini ki rang bagi taken sai jong ke Nongmensong.